your team.
Temperatures in the 70s, even some 80s for today, but now cooler air's coming in. We're seeing some fog developing right now. This is atop City Hall in Crossville, looking south down Main Street. Visibility's hovering about 5 miles there at the airport right now, so I would not be surprised if we see some additional fog in spots across the plateau. But everybody else doing okay visibility-wise right now. But it's 56 degrees in Crossville. That's chilly. Down to 68 in Knoxville and Gatlinburg, 67 in Newport, and 67 in Tellico Plains. Kind of the last bit of rain making its way right over the Cotton Green County borders over into western North Carolina now, and maybe one or two sprinkles left in the Smokies, and that's about it for now. But I still think later tonight, can't rule out some patchy drizzle in some spots. Let's take a look where we are right now. There's the rain exiting, but watch overnight as that cooler air descends down into the lower elevations here in the valley. It's wringing out what moisture's left in the cloud cover, kind of like what we're seeing across the plateau. So some patchy fog or drizzle certainly possible as we start out pretty early on Saturday, and it's cool, 46. Crossville and Oneida, 48 in Middlesboro. Will be at about 54 here in Knoxville and 54 in Tellico Plains. That will give way, though, to a little bit more sunshine as we head into the afternoon hours on our Saturday. So low 60s on the plateau and upper 60s here in the valley. Still below average, but it's warmer than what we'll see by the time we get to Sunday. Rossini Festival, we've been talking about that. Can't rule out a sprinkle starting out, but I think the later in the day we go, a little bit more sunshine, temperatures in the upper 60s overall, just about a perfect day there. But let's talk about Sunday. Much cooler start, 38 in Middlesboro, 41 in Oneida, 48 in Knoxville, and 48 degrees in Maryville. And I do think, as we've been saying much of the week, a few spotty showers possible, especially along and south of 40 and from Knoxville eastward into the Smokies. This is 7 a.m. Sunday, right through midday, and then the second half of the day should be a little bit drier, but it continues to be cool. Question how much sunshine we'll see in the afternoon on Sunday. Hopefully we see a little bit, but regardless, I don't see a big warm up here. Temperature's only going to be about 58 in Knoxville and Oneida, 56 for highs in Crossville, and 56 degrees in Gatlinburg. Well below average, which are low 70s for this time of year. Temperatures will rebound, though, as we head into next week, right back close to average, which, again, 72 for this time of year. We're talking some low 70s, which should be pretty nice across the area. So for tonight, still think the storm chances, we're done with that, but a few sprinkles are possible overnight, and it's mostly cloudy and cool. 1 or 2 to start tomorrow. Otherwise, clouds will thin out some into the afternoon, just not a huge warm-up. Again, staying a little below average. The average high about 72. We're looking at upper 60s. Noticeably cooler, though, for sure on Sunday with 58. You'll want a jacket heading back to work. Kids will as well heading back to school. We've got 41 Monday, 42 Tuesday. Outlying areas probably in the upper 30s the way it's looking. And then a nice recovery. We're right back in the low 70s next week. And not great opportunities for rain. Maybe a sprinkle or two Tuesday night into very early Wednesday. And then again, this time next week, some spotty showers on Friday.